think she can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's cheer for her. Come on. Hey! Rin, Rin, Rin.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls, and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel this is a place where I feel at home.
Wow, that was
Treat on
amazing.
Friday when you meet this child. He is one of a kind. But before we get started, really quick, we're about to flip the switch a little and get a little crazy and have some fun. I feel like we need this moment really quick. I know I do. I don't know. It's been hard. It's been a hard 2020, 2021, a little bit of a difficult 2022. So here's what I want you to do. There are lots of people in here with lots of things going on. I want you to turn to someone next to you, and I want you to give them a big hug. Okay? Give them a big hug. Especially you teachers in the back. I know we need an extra little hug. Let's give everyone a big hug. Woo. All right. Don't you feel better already? I feel better. All right. Here we go. Mitch is going to bring some of our friends out here in a second. We're about to get hype and have a good time. We're going to do things the Vista way, so here we go.
Hey guys, so every year at the Wish Week basketball game on Friday, we do a big cheer or chant at halftime. And since I know everyone might not be able to get a ticket, we're going to learn it right now so everyone can get involved. So can I get the leadership and unit guys over here?
We'll get organized here in a minute. Okay, Chad and all of our ladies over here, I need you to pay attention because I want you to join the squad here in a minute, okay? Sound good? All right, are we ready with the music? All right. So it is space themed. We're slowly going to be standing up, okay? We are the astronauts. Then split, Walter and astronauts will be walking down. Then we are gonna get into the spaceship. 8, 7,
has started.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go back. Go forward.
Tranquility base here.
Now we're gonna soar. We've landed. We're on space.
For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet.
Ding.
Big white mansion in my habitat.
Now we're spacewalking. Now we're gonna all point. Walter is gonna come in and fight a bad guy. We're just gonna get hype and watch for a minute.